I am discussing the properties of division of integer. The previous property was when 0 is divided by any integer, maybe the positive or negative, you must get the answer 0. That is, quotient will be the 0. Hereafter I am coming to the rule number 5. For every integer m divided by 0 equals to m upon 0 is not defined or not meaningful. It means, other words we can say, when we have the dividend any integer, say m, and it is divided by 0, it means the divisor is the 0. The result that we get is not meaningful or not defined or infinite. What we can say, the infinite to it also. Example, 15 divided by 0 equals to 15 upon 0. That equals to not defined or infinite. Hereafter, I would like to discuss the sixth property of the division. If L, M and N are non-zero integers, then L divided by M, keep in bracket, whole divided by n is not equal to L divided by M divided by n, unless n equals to 1. Means when the n will equal to 1, then only they will equal to each other, this result. Before that they will not equal. Okay. Now, seventh rule. If L, M and N are integers, then L is greater than M and N is a positive integer. This implies that L upon N is greater than M upon N. I would repeat it again. If L, M, N are three integers and L, that is first one, L is greater than M, and N, the number N, if we divide this inequality or inequation, this implies that L upon N is greater than M upon N. It means the sign of inequation or inequality, that is the greater than sign, so that will remain unchanged. Example, if 9 is greater than 6, we know 9 is greater than 6, all of us know, and 3 is a positive integer, we are taking 3 is a positive integer. This implies that 9 divided by 3 is greater than 6 divided by 3. This implies that 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. We get this side, and 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 to this side. So implies that, this implies, how we read? This implies that 3 is greater than 2. And that is taught in rule only to you. Second condition is, if L is greater than M, condition is the same, and N is the negative. And what N is? N is a negative integer. n is a negative integer. Then what happens? The result we get m divided by, since L, see here the L is greater than m. Watch carefully. L is greater than m. And if we divide L by n, because n is a negative integer, so sign of inequality will reverse. It means greater sign will convert to the lesser than sign. How you read? L upon n is less than m upon n. I repeat it again. If L is a greater than n and n is a negative integer, then L upon n will be less than m upon n. Example, 9 is greater than 6 we have, same, and now minus 3 is a negative integer. We are taking integer minus 3. So implies that 9 upon minus 3 is less than 6 upon minus 3. What we have got here? The sign of inequality get reversed, and that is minus 3 is less than minus 2. So that was the 7 rules, means 7 properties of division of integer. Now note down one thing. I would like to continue it further.